Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifter's Subaru Outback. Start by selecting Sport or Manual mode to activate the paddles and get full control. Learn when to upshift and downshift for smooth acceleration and engine braking. I will show proper timing, RPM ranges to aim for, and how to avoid lugging or over-revving the engine in everyday driving situations. To use paddle shifters well, watch RPM and road conditions and plan shifts in advance. Aim to upshift before hitting redline and downshift early for hills or heavy braking. Smooth shifts keep the cabin calm and the drivetrain happy, especially when passing or merging. Practice in a quiet area to feel the car's response and build muscle memory so every shift becomes natural and precise. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I mention it because saving for upgrades or maintenance makes owning an Outback easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Remember that the Subaru will override unsafe shifts, so rely on built-in protections to prevent engine damage. Use paddles with adaptive cruise control to balance convenience and control on long drives. Always prioritize both hands on the wheel and avoid aggressive shifting when traction is poor. These habits keep you safe and extend drivetrain life while still enjoying the sporty feel of manual control through the paddles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.